BELKA's service fields include organisation, training and control service for Ankara occupational health and safety, which covers approximately providing 7,000 personnel, including personnel, construction machinery, trucks, vehicles and equipment for activities of Ankara Metropolitan Municipality, in addition to the related training activities in other administrations, the coordination of vehicle maintenance, repair and close to 1,600 construction machinery, trucks, light commercial and passenger vehicles in Gunvejinlik facilities. BELKA's field of activities include development and implementation of waste disposal and energy projects, development and implementation of environmental and social responsibility projects, development and implementation of technology projects for urban and rural areas, waste disposal and generation of electricity, especially for villages. It is the biggest wastewater treatment facility of Turkey, and it has been designed as classic activated sludge process with a capacity of 765,000 cubic meters per day. At the facility, 250 million cubic meters of wastewater is treated annually and discharged to the receiving environment without causing any environmental pollution. Biogas is obtained by digesting the excess sludge formed in the plant after anaerobic digestion. Electricity is produced from biogas, and 80 to 85% of the energy needs of the plant are met in this way. Tatler Wastewater Treatment Plant is turned into a renewable energy and environmental valley, making it an exemplary pilot plant in the world where all the sample projects can be implemented through the private sector and BELKA. Thanks to the wastewater treatment plant, the health of the people living in Ankara is also protected while protecting the environment. Our projects, Organic Fertilizer and Recycling Project, was put into practice by collecting tree pruning branches in parks, gardens and avenues, and working towards obtaining organic fertilizer by composting. Establishment of the facility on behalf of Ankara to provide an environmentally friendly, sustainable and long-term energy solution to the people of Ankara, to ensure that the ASKI's electricity needs are met with BELKA, use of trolley buses and converting old diesel and CNG fuel buses into electric buses. It is aimed to meet the people of Ankara with zero emission, silent and comfortable public transportation, to make the city to be an exemplary environment-sensitive example, and to meet them with more economical transportation, and to make the citizens prefer public transportation. Overseas cooperation or representation activities are also going on for the purpose of designing and implementing solar power generation model for village houses. Activities were initiated for the establishment and financing of solar systems and electricity generation systems for villages. Battery Packaging Project. Today, in terms of energy storage and battery packaging, which is an important and strategic element in terms of electric vehicles, foreign companies have come into contact with our company for joint production in Ankara. It is aimed to provide an income source to Ankara Metropolitan Municipality by gaining the ability to produce advanced technology through BELKA of Ankara Metropolitan Municipality, first to meet its own needs and then to sales and marketing, infrastructure and finance for rail systems. Preliminary negotiations have been initiated with several government and private companies from China and state banks, especially on infrastructure, vehicles and signalling for the intense use of rail systems of Ankara public transportation. It is planned to develop and implement rail systems and to make it an attractive public transportation option for the citizen. Thus, it is aimed to make a clean and livable city by minimizing the use of private vehicles by offering modern, clean and accessible public transportation options for the people of Ankara, increasing the capacity of wastewater plants and utilizing more efficiently. BELKA and technology projects. Tatler Wastewater Treatment Plant being renewable energy and environmental valley. In the field of renewable energy and environmental engineering, our capital will be an exemplary city for our country's cities, as well as an application that designs, implements and sells technological facilities to other districts and cities. Establishment of geothermal facilities. By utilizing the inefficient geothermal potential of our capital, attractive infrastructure and incentive systems will be established for investors, and taking into account the regional characteristics of the competition, it will be used in a positive way. Social responsibility projects for university youth. The university youth will earn money for 2 to 3 months, and the scholarship allowance, which is prevented by the legal barriers, will be provided with the participation of the youth population in urban activities. A participatory youth will be provided for the city's activities. We continue to develop exemplary collaborations in all kinds of projects that will touch the citizens within the boundaries of Ankara by intensifying negotiations with foreign companies, public and private companies. BELKA continues to work with determination to improve the health and environmental quality of the urban life of our people in Ankara.